Hello and welcome, and in this lecture we'll see how to download NCERT books for education purpose. And to do so, go to Google and you can type in NCERT books. Probably that will take us to this page. This particular link, textbooks PDF 1 to 12 NCERT. So this is our preferred link. So click on this link. If you wanted to navigate to this page directly, you can type in the URL ncert.nic.in/textbook.php. That will take us to the same page as well. Here we have three options. The first is selecting a class. I'll just click this, and we have got an option from class 1 to 12 as well as class 11 and 12 combined. So for this example, I'm going to download class 10 mathematics books. So I just go to class 10. And the next is selecting a subject. As I told you, we will be downloading mathematics. So I'm gonna select mathematics among mathematics, science, Hindi, social science, English, Urdu, Sanskrit. So I'm gonna select mathematics. And the last option is a little typical. So I just explain what exactly this is. This is mathematics in English version. This is Ganit, which is a mathematics in a Hindi version, and Riyazi is mathematics in Urdu version. For this tutorial, we'll stick with the mathematics, the English version. So I'm going to click this and I'm going to click go. Yeah, that will take us to this page, and this is the cover page of the book, textbook for class 10 mathematics in English. And if you pay a close look at this, like preliminary guide for using QR codes and chapter 1 to chapter 15 and appendix, these are the different components of the book. You can download, if you want to download only chapter 1, you can go and click this. That will download a chapter 1, or you can go and download the entire book using this particular link. Now let's take a look at chapter 1 alone. So I'm going to click chapter 1 open. That will open in a PDF, this kind of thing. You can download this by clicking this particular arrow, then that will take us to download. So I'm gonna save it in the desktop and I'm gonna close this, or you can even print this. That will also take us to this page and you can save as PDF from this point onwards, but I'm not pretty much advising to print this in a PDF. Instead, you can download using this particular thing. And probably I'm not interested in downloading individual chapters. Instead, I'll just click download complete book, and this is the downloaded stuff. You can probably see this. When I click this, you can probably see all the components or the contents of the book, chapter 1 to 15 and appendices and so on. So this is the cover page. This is the cover page, and this is the appendix 1. So this is the appendix 1. A1 stands for appendix 1, which is A1 proof in mathematics. Then this is chapter 1. This is chapter 1, real numbers and so on. So this is how you download textbooks, any textbooks of any subjects from NCERT websites. I hope you really enjoy this video. Have a great day. Bye bye.